Hello, welcome to this beginner blues guitar lesson number 17. In this lesson we'll look at improvising on a blues in C minor. This lesson will be less complicated than the previous lesson. In the previous lesson we had a lot of scales. In this lesson you'll only learn one new scale. Let's have a look at which scales we can use to improvise on a blues in C minor. These scales we already know. We looked at them in the previous lesson. There is the normal blues scale in C in the 8th position, and then we had the extended version, and we had the blues scale that starts on the A string in the 3rd position, or the 3rd position plus 1 octave is position 15. If needed, you can always look at the previous lesson again to refresh your knowledge. When improvising on a minor blues, you can use the blues scale or the normal minor scale. We've looked at this scale before in the key of A. Now let's look at this scale in the key of C, key of C minor. It starts in position 8 because position 8 on the low E string is a C. Let's play this scale. Just as the blues scale, you can extend the minor scale. If you look at the scale diagram, you can see a lot of tones on the G string. You play them by sliding your fingers. In the next lessons, we'll look more into technique. For now, just follow along. Let's play this scale. A good way to practice scales is the what I call 3-1 approach. It works as followed. You play 3 tones of the scale and you go 1 back. You take 1 step back. And you play 3 tones again. So 1, 2, 3, 1 back, 1, 2, 3, 1 back, 1, 2, 3, 1 back, etc. many ways to play the scales on your guitar, and there are many different types of scales. Just stick to the scales you have learned so far. They are sufficient. You don't need any more scales than that. Of course, you are free to experiment and you can look up many scales. It's okay, but you don't really need them at this stage. With this knowledge of all these scales, let's add some licks to our vocabulary. 5 more blues licks in C minor. If this lick is too fast, and it is fast, try to play it slower. Stay in the groove of your backing track, just play slower, or break it up in chunks, as in the following example. Thank you for watching again. As mentioned, next lessons will be more about technique. In the next lesson there will be a focus on the picking hand, the right hand or left hand if you are left-handed, picking hand technique. We didn't look at it yet. After that we'll look at hammer-ons, pull-offs, bending, alternate picking, all these things. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye.